Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set GIF as a Windows 11 background. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to Microsoft Store and download Lively Wallpaper from there because Windows has no built-in options to set wallpaper as GIF. So go here and search for Lively Wallpaper, then just download and install it. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just gonna open it. You can minimize your Microsoft Store now. Just wait for Lively Wallpaper to open up. It's gonna take a little bit time. And after it opens up, you can just maximize this and click here on the plus icon. You can add new wallpapers from here and simply select your file from here. Choose a file. Then just go ahead and choose your .gif file. This is mine, so I'm just gonna select it. Then just wait. It will upload here. There you go. This is mine. I'm just gonna give it a name, tower, or anything that you want as title. Then just click on OK. Then just wait. It will upload to the software. And done. Then you can just select this. And if you go back, you can see your GIF has been set to your wallpaper. And basically that is how to set GIF as your Windows 11 desktop wallpaper. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.